The African Transformation Movement (ATM) has strongly dismissed speculation of a merger with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, insisting it will remain an independent political entity as the country gears up for upcoming elections. This comes in the wake of media reports suggesting behind-the-scenes talks between the two pro-black leftist parties. Reports further claimed that ATM's parliamentary leader Vuyiswa was ousted from his role as a party president due to his alleged resistance to the merger. However, the party has refuted these claims. The party spokesperson Zama Ntshona said Mr. Zungula will remain focused on his parliamentary responsibilities, while Professor Sizana Nonqunga, who now assumes the role of the party president, will steer the organization and uphold the ATM's distinction identity. Despite being part of the same progressive caucus in parliament, Ntshona clarified that the ATM's alliance with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party does not translate to merger, and said we must clarify that we are not merging with the MK Party. Yes, we are in an alliance, but we will contest the elections independently. The spokesperson added that the ATM will offer support to the Umkhonto weSizwe Party in constituencies where it is not fielding candidates, describing the strategy as a practical division of labor, and said we have over 4,000 wards that require our attention. With only 2 members in parliament, handling numerous committees, we need to prioritize and mobilize our efforts effectively. He also pushed back against persistent rumors that former President Jacob Zuma, founder of the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, is playing a behind-the-scenes role in the ATM, and said there's no such thing. The ATM is the brainchild of Professor Sizana Nonqunga, chief apostle of the 12th Apostle Church. He was instrumental in bringing together various churches and religious leaders to form the party. Both ATM and Umkhonto weSizwe Party share common ground on policies such as land reform and radical economic transformation. Zuma, a vocal advocate for leftist unity, has previously called for all like-minded parties to rally under the Umkhonto weSizwe banner for a stronger electoral showing. However, that vision has not found universal support. Economic Freedom Fighters leader Julius Malema recently confirmed that he rejected an invitation to merge with the Umkhonto weSizwe Party, reaffirming the EFF's independent path. With tensions around alliances, leadership shifts, and ideological overlaps, the political landscape ahead of the elections remains fluid. But for now, the ATM is clear, it's charting its own course. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.